The Genesis GMS1015LC Miter Saw is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor that delivers a high speed of 4,600 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient and smooth cutting for a variety of woodworking tasks. This miter saw features a laser light cutting guide, which greatly enhances accuracy and reduces setup time, making it an excellent choice for precise cuts. With its ability to make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees to the left and perform compound miter cuts, this saw is versatile enough for projects involving crown molding, picture frames, and more. The saw's 9 positive miter stops at frequently used angles allow for quicker setup and more accurate cuts, adding to its user-friendly design. Portability and accuracy are enhanced by its die-cast aluminum base, while the electric brake ensures safety by stopping the blade rapidly. The Genesis GMS15LC comes with useful accessories like a 60-tooth carbide blade, hold-down clamp, dust bag, and extension wings, making it a comprehensive package for woodworking enthusiasts.